There's a car coming, Cam. Stop it. No, Cam, stop. Stop. Please. Please, Cam. Oh my gosh.
Have you ever had a dream that you had?
We had to run back to his place. I wanted to switch out book bags. I didn't like the like speed hump one, the OGO one. I don't like that unless I'm wearing a jacket or a suit, and I'm not. So it's like, it's really shaped weird on my back. So I swapped out to my camera bag, and now, oh, I definitely should have took my freaking gimbal. I literally took my gimbal out, and I was like, oh, we'll just take some pictures where we're going. We're going up like somewhere to take dope pictures, and there's like a fountain or something cool. Oh, this is the road he said I can wheelie on. This never gets old! This never gets old! That is awesome! Oh, excuse me. Thank you. My man. This road's closed, so I feel like everyone's looking at us like, what the heck? That guy's smiling. Yeah, I'm not doing that, John. That dude's literally just spraying water. Cool. We just rode for like a half an hour. That's it. The thing is, it's 86 degrees, yes, right? But for me, because I'm East Coast, I know what humidity is. Out here, there's not really humidity. For me, I'm like, I'm cool. This is dry 86. Like, there's no humidity in the air. It's just dry heat. It feels good. I just love how this bike throws me freaking back. I have zero clue where we're going. What is that? What is that? I was like, is that glass? Yeah, you ever just kind of want to go kiss a cactus? That sounded so good. So good. When the front wheel touches the ground, fully release the freaking gas, downshift, and smack it. Like, all in the same second. That's exactly what I just did. What kind of freaking tree is that? It looks like it has clothes on. I tried to buy new gloves and no one has gloves. I think it's time to buy gloves. I really do. So many freaking palm trees. I love it. I haven't even been to LA yet. I haven't gone to the canyons. Not saying that we are, but like, nah, we are. So we just came from like all the way down there. It's just crazy how like people live up there. Like, that's it. I don't know. There's something about the West Coast that I don't know. You guys think I fit better on the West Coast than East Coast? Definitely got to race John at some point, see what his R1 does, because I think he's on a Power Commander. He might be tuned, he might be flashed. I have zero clue. 3/4 exhaust. I have zero clue what's actually like done to his bike underneath. I'm not super pumped right now. I have a lot of serotonin in me right now, but I am operating off of 3 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours? No, definitely more than 4. I have zero clue. I'm not doing the math. We do have some crazy content coming up. Know that we got a lot more heat coming in. Today is just like we're gonna take it easy. Let me, like, my body's still half dead, realistically, and I shouldn't be on my bike after driving for 39 hours. But it's okay. I literally got here, took a shower, and got on the bike. We're definitely burning rubber Sunday.
This is so crazy.
I'm gonna turn on my music. You guys vibe. I'm gonna vibe. You guys listen to the exhaust. Got it? Cool, cool, cool. Straight road. Well, get back on the right side of the road.
It's not fair. I want to learn. This guy's insane. You gotta love it.
I'm totally tired. I've gotten really comfortable with this bike. Honestly, guys, I just want to reiterate, the more you practice on a bike, the better you will get. And the more seat time you have, the more the skills will come. As long as you're pursuing the skills. Practice makes perfect, right? Damn. I could not imagine a freaking rock falling from down there. No, I'm cool. I am terrified. It's time for gloves.
What?
It's time for gloves. This is so big. It was funny at first. It generally was funny. It's not funny anymore. It's like actually a danger. You're definitely snappier. Oh, it's because I tightened the chain. That's why. That's exactly why. I was like trying to figure out, I'm like, why are you acting different? What's wrong with you? Like, I'm like, it's there. Like, I know. Like, it's there. That's what it freaking is. I kept on wondering, because I'm like, every time I shift from first to second, or I clutch it up, it's so much more, it's a little bit more responsive. And I forgot I tightened up my chain. I hope you get that. I hope you get that. If I do that, you better get it. I hope so, because I can't use words when I do it. But now I need new gloves, because you guys are just going to roast me every time I go like this. Being stupid. Woo! I freaking love this. I just love the scenery. Nice little sit down to a stand up. I forgot to tell you guys, a lot has happened in the last 2 weeks and I've been extremely busy. Go ahead. I got the Nebula Ruroc and it came in and I forgot to show you guys. So I'll make sure I get a couple pictures and put it on screen now. It looks so good. Now I'm curious. Impressive, Cam. Impressive. What is this? What? Look, imagine jumping straight across it. Oh. Good thing I don't have a supermoto. Good thing I'm going to remember where that is. For when I got a supermoto. I am the way. A bowling ball can take a good picture here. Go pay. Yeah, that's my friend. You put me in a new environment and I'm like, I look around and I'm just like processing. And I'm like in my head like, damn, those trees are up there. They're pretty high. That's pretty cool. Like, that's literally what's going through my brain right now. Like, it's not every day. Like, when I'm around my area, like, I know what my area looks like, so I'm used to everything. So I can talk about whatever's, like, actually on my mind, but everything's new to me that I'm just, like, I'm a very observant person, and I'm staring at everything. I'm like, oh, wow, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool. That's weird bark that I don't have near me. You know what I mean? Like...
Cam, what are you doing?
Let's see how far we can go. No hands, right? I'll turn my phone off. Oh, that's f***ing steep.
Stop it, Cam! Get your hands on the handlebars. Oh, you're skiing. Oh, now you're running. We're doing the Olympics out here. Now you're surfing. Go Ham. Go Cam. Oh, okay. That's how we feel about stop signs. Ow, ow. Cam, you kicked up rocks at me.
Thank you, they were awesome!
Cam, stop!
Oh, we got it! So that, I can't, hold on. I have an idea, it's really stupid, but I have an idea.
Uh-oh, what's he doing? Stop. Cam, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, this guy is absolutely correct! He turned without using his hands! Look at him. Yeah, hit the quan! Oh, my voice crack. Hit the quan! I said get down low and swing it. Oh, look at you, juicy. Damn, boys, you thicker than a bowl of Cameron?
Out of the car!
Thank you. Cam, please don't do it. Cam, you crazy. Cam, stop it, Cam.
So close.
Oh, this guy, man. Estoy muy... Cam, we are about to turn. What are you doing? There is a car coming, Cam. Stop it. No, Cam, stop. Please, Cam. Oh my God. You know what I'm saying, dude?
I'm just happy that I freaking just did it. That whole time I was like, I got it. I turned up the stabilizer. I knew I could do it because I've done it once off camera. But like, I went to go up and I fell. Like, I didn't get to a full stand. I wanted to do that since I ever saw Biker Boys, like 2003. I'm so pumped. I freaking got it. Holy crap. That's what happens when two idiots get together. I just want to explore. Boys. Oh. Turned the a little bit too hard. So I gave you the idea, now I have to execute. Ah, that hurts. No! I'm gonna get one. I got one!
I was gonna do that to you. Yeah. Ow, my ears. She pigger, piper. Cam, that's all you. I don't know how to wheelie.
I want to grab a Sunfire and give it to him. I have one. I'm so sorry. I love the smoke.